So while I was busy making this masterpiece, so here's my attempt at making a backdrop here, but got these. It's two 16GB thumb drives. And why do I have these when you could see that I was using the other thumb drives in the other video? That's because I lost that thumb drive already, and it's barely been any time at all. But, so, I mean, I had that thumb drive for like 3 years. It's what started my first YouTube channel, but here we got two thumb drives. I'm going to use the blue one, and I'm going to put Ubuntu on it, and then I'm going to install that on Toshiba, just like that. Feels so clean. And you just can't not mention that. It smells amazing. So here I am, and I'm going to use Rufus, which I have up here, to put Ubuntu on the drive. Now, ignore the fact that I wasn't able to pick some stuff up, OBS, but here I went through, found the Ubuntu ISO, and then I went through just the basic format stuff, and then started it. Well, that does its thing. Let's do the thing on here. Here we are back in Vista, and I'm going to try to create a drive partition to see if that won't work. Continue. You need to go down here and shrink volume and creating for available shrink space. What you need to do is you need to know your megabytes to gigabytes or gigabytes to megabytes. So afterwards in megabytes, and then you shrink. Get rid of unallocated. You need to create a new simple wizard in, not the new simple wizard, but the new simple volume wizard. And then simple size, assign the drive the following letter. I'm going to assign it A. Next. Actually, no, let's go back and label the volume Ubuntu question mark. So, Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Oh my gosh. Ubuntu. Finish. Okay, so I really regret not filming it, but so with the boot manager, I guess I thought that I was filming, but I wasn't. But I opened up the boot menu and I clicked on it, and it kept reloading the boot menu and reloading the boot menu and reloading the boot menu, but you never actually boot from USB. So I decided to try to go into Windows and then restart again, but this time by shutting down and then restarting instead of just a plain restart. And I guess it worked, which is going to be what you see now. Okay, let's do this one more time. Yes! Something behind here. Something's disabled by BIOS. Oh, just change the dimensions. That's good. Kind of. Oh, yes! Oh, it actually looks good. It doesn't look all weird or anything. We're on a good track, everyone. We're on a good track. It's working. Okay. The mouse cursor is actually somewhat responding. Ooh. You got the top up there. Oh, listen to those speakers. Okay, let's try Ubuntu. Oh. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I didn't film it, but well off camera, I tested Firefox, I got connected to the internet, and yeah, it all works. So this is really good. So, normal installation, download updates, continue. So this computer is now connected to the internet. That right here, little Wi-Fi thing, it's connected. Audio works, graphics work, it's not all weird or anything. Here we are, your name, I'm gonna do LW, oh, keyboard's not typing. So for some reason, it's like, kind of stuck here. I can't click on anything else, I can't type in the box. It's typing. LWG. Well, let's start with the lowercase letter. What? The Toshiba. Installation has finished, so let's restart now. I think that was about 30 minutes that it took. That's pretty good. So let's wait for the computer to restart. And I'm excited for what's going to be next. What's good about this is that when it had XP and it had drivers, it wouldn't really be able to do anything because even my PAL and stuff, it's not really good for doing stuff online or installing modern programs. With this being the most modern version of Ubuntu, this is going to pretty much completely restore this computer to use the internet well and be able to install modern programs. It's great. So I've removed the USB drive right here, and now it's working.
20 minutes later.
Okay, it's been stuck on the screen forever, like 15 minutes. I did a WikiHow tutorial, and it told me, take the media out, which is this. It's burning hot right now. It hurts, but take that out, and then after you take it out, hold down your power button, turn it back on again, and now it doesn't say remove the installation media. It's good. So I cut out a ton of stuff from this because I was having so much fun off camera, but here's the point, and here's the big stuff. It's working. So we have Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, I think. I'm updating it right now, but for the past 30 minutes, I've been getting used to Ubuntu as an operating system. I've been checking out the software center. I've been browsing Firefox, doing this, doing that. Got my Google account connected, all that good stuff. And now I'm just going to be updating it. I would say that these two-part series with this laptop has been a complete success. That's really good. The Vista part, let's just forget about that. I never thought that Ubuntu could really bring such new light to a computer like this. That's amazing. So, yeah. And I guess that's going to be the end of the series for now. So maybe I'll do something else with this computer in the future. But hey, if you want to see more, subscribe.